야채가 싫어. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 싫어. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we are going to study about the word 싫어. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 179. 싫어. 싫어. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is shir. The second syllable is o. Pronounce it with me. 싫어. 싫어. The Korean word 싫어 is used to say, I hate it. Sometimes this is used to say, I don't like it. But if you would remember, there's actually a word which is more related to saying, I don't like it, which is 안 좋아요. So, the nearest meaning for 싫어 is actually, I hate it. So, this is used to express that you hate something. Now, how do we spell 싫어 in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the two syllables. To be able to write the syllable shir, we need to draw first a siyot character, followed by an e character, followed by a real character, followed by a hiyo character. For the second syllable o, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang, followed by the o character. And then we just have to combine the hangul for each of these two syllables to form the hangul of the word 싫어. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, I hate vegetables. Again, I hate vegetables. The Korean translation of this sentence is 야채가 싫어. Again, it's 야채가 싫어. The first part of the sentence is 야채가. The word 야채 is already discussed on this channel, and we know that it means vegetables. If you want to know more about the word yache, you can click on the link of the video for the full lecture about yache. Going back, yache means vegetables, and we just added ga to indicate that the yache is the topic of the sentence. And the second part of the sentence is 싫어, which is actually our word for today, and we already know that it means I hate it. So, if we combine the meaning of these two, it would result to a sentence that means, I hate vegetables. So, looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence, 야채가 싫어, is simply, I hate vegetables. And with that, you've just learned 싫어. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 169 to 178. But don't forget our word for today, word number 179, 싫어, which means I hate it. And this is used in an informal manner. Word number 178 is hana, which is number 1 of the native Korean numbers. Word number 177 is 슬프다, and this is a verb which means to be sad. Word number 176 is 울지마, and this is an informal way of saying don't cry. Word number 175 is 뭐 or mo, and this is used to ask what. Word number 174 is 내가 or 내가, and this is a pronoun which means I or me. Word number 173 is 후배, and this is the Korean term for a junior or someone younger, inexperienced than you. Word number 172 is 선배, and this is the Korean term for a senior or someone older than you in terms of experience. Word number 171 is 안 돼, and this is an informal way of saying no or no way. word number 170 is call, and this is used to say deal. And the last for our review is word number 169, 좋아해요, and this is used to say I like you. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. 싫어해, 싫어해. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to discuss about the word 싫어하다. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 303. 싫어하다, 싫어하다. This is pronounced as a 4-syllable word. The first syllable is shir, second syllable is o, third syllable is ha, and fourth syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. 싫어하다. The word 싫어하다 is a verb which means to hate. Again, 싫어하다 is a verb which means to hate. And since this is a verb, it can be conjugated. How do you write 싫어하다 in Hangul? It is composed of 4 syllables. For the first syllable, shir, we need to draw first a siyot character followed by an e character followed by a real character followed by a hi character. For the second syllable, o, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang followed by the o character itself. For the third syllable, ha, we need to draw first a hi character followed by an a character. And for the last syllable, da, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an a character. And then, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these 4 syllables. Now, if you remember at the beginning of this video, our example is actually 싫어해. And our word for today is 싫어하다. If you could recall, 싫어하다 means to hate or to dislike. At the same time, 싫어하다 is a root verb which can be further conjugated to have other meanings. An example of a conjugated 싫어하다 is 싫어해. As you can see, the da part at the ending is removed and it's changed to he. And 싫어해 is actually the present tense form of 싫어하다. So if 싫어하다 means to dislike, 싫어해 means I don't like it or I hate it. Again, 싫어하다 means to dislike or to hate, and 싫어해 means I don't like it or I hate it. Just remember that 싫어하다 is a root verb and 싫어해 is the present tense form of 싫어하다. And with that, you've just learned 싫어하다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 293 to 302. But don't forget our word for today, word number 303, 싫어하다, which means to hate. The first word for our review is 울지 마요, which means don't cry. The next word for our review is 맛있어요, which means delicious. Next word is 색, which means color. Next word is 딸기, which means strawberry. Next word is bepu, which means best friend. Next word for our review is moja, which means hat or cap. Next word is chaida, which means to be dumped or to be kicked. Next word for our review is shimi, which means hobby. Next word is hamke, which means together. And the last word for our review is word number 293, chima, which means skirt. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.